everyone, this is Amanda Olson, creator of ABC Me. I am here today to talk with you about how to fill in your blank template. So here I have the blank template to fill out for my own multimedia enhanced phonics lesson. And I have gotten here by downloading the blank template available on the Learn More page of the ABC Me Learning Innovation Lab website, and I made a copy. Now that I have my own copy, I'm able to start filling it out to meet the needs of my students. On this first page, we are focusing on phoneme segmentation. And for today, let's just say our focus is short A, so words with the ah sound. And I want my students to be segmenting CVC words with the ah sound in the middle. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I am able to type my word in the middle of the box and that it's large enough so that it can be seen by my students and myself. I'm going to start off with words in the at family, so I'll start with bat. Now I want to make sure I don't go across because this will be one day's worth and I don't want all the words in one day to be in the at family. So I want to make sure I spread it out. So when I fill it out, I work in a diagonal. Now I'm also deciding to change my font because as we know with those little guys, that type of letter A is one that is a little confusing for them to learn. And when we're just starting out, we want to make sure that they're learning the correct letter formation. So let's try Comic Sans today. And there we go. That's the letter A that they'll recognize. And I think I'm also going to make it a bit bigger so that I'm able to see it as well as my students. All right, so we've got that. Let's go with sat, cat, rat, and how about mat? Now that I go back up and I'm ready for my next word, I don't want to keep doing at in the same day because remember this slide is going across, one across per day. So now let's move on to the am family. So I'm going to start with Pam, some jam, a ram, and I can also use words on this page like lamb with a silent B at the end because my students are not sounding it out by reading the word on the slide, but they are simply segmenting the sounds they hear once I've pronounced it already for them. So I've got Pam, jam, ram, lamb, and I could also do bam. And you continue on with different words that all fit within your phonics focus. Again, my phonics focus today is short A. So maybe I'll do the add family. Mad, lad, sad, rad, and pad. There are all different options and these are all ones that I'm just coming up with right now. So I'm going to do tag, sag, lag, bag, bag, and nag. I need one more word family, and then again, I don't have to do this by word family. That just helps me figure out how to complete it so that not every word in the day is in the same word family and that they're practicing different sounds. So now I'm going to work on, how about lab, cab, jab, nab, and tab. Once I have all of my page filled out, I'm now able to use this screen on the bottom to block off everything but what I want to work on for that day. So if I were going to implement this in my classroom this upcoming week, I would have just the first row available for them and myself to see so that they're not distracted by any visuals not necessary at this point. And as the week goes on, I move the shield down for day number 2, again for day number 3, and once more for day number 4, and finally for day number 5. After that, I'm ready to clear it and start for my next phonics focus the following week. Thanks for joining me on filling out the phoneme segmentation fluency slide.